In finding the remainder concept, so with two different examples, I will show you two different tricks. First question is, what is the remainder in 17 to the power 200 by 18? Or what is the remainder of 12 to the power 61 by 13? So to analyze these two problems, I'll show you first, let me write the two short tricks. X is the number. If x to the power is even number divided by either x minus 1 or x plus 1, then in this case the remainder is equals to 1. This is one of the trick. And one more, x to the power odd number. If x to the power odd number divided by x plus 1, in this case then remainder is equals to the x itself. Now according to this question, 17 is the number to the power even number. 17 power is even and divided by either 17 plus 1 or 17 minus 1. So you got 18. So remainder is equals to 1 for this answer. And in this case, x is the number, 12 is one number, power odd number divided by 12 plus 1, 13. No? So in this case, remainder is equals to 12 itself. So let me show you with one simple example instead of taking huge power. Now 4 is the number. Okay, let me take with 4 to the power even number divided by either 4 plus 1 or 4 minus 1. So 4 minus 1 means 3, or 4 square by 4 plus 1 is 5. For these two cases, we are supposed to get remainder 1 according to this formula. Now 4 square is 16. 16 divided by 3. This is 16 divided by 5. Now in this case, remainder is equals to 1 because 6 5 is 15, remainder is 1. In this case also, remainder is equals to 1. 16 divided by 5. 5 3 is a 15. Okay. And let me take same examples for this. But power is odd number. So 4 to the power 3 divided by 4 plus 1. So 5. In this case, 4 into 4 into 4. 64 divided by 5. So if we do division, 64 divided by 5, remainder should be 4 now. Because 64 divided by 5, right? 5 times 12, 60, remainder is 4. So these are the two basic formulas. X power even number by x minus 1 or x plus 1, remainder 1 will come. And x to the power odd by x plus 1 only, the remainder is x itself. Okay, to only these two different cases, just remember the some one or two example sums and this formula to apply in any examination.